Okay, we're here at the Bertram Station. What are we about to do? See a train?
Yeah.
Do y'all want to go get some hot chocolate? I have a jacket. Do y'all have your hot chocolate? Let me see. Let me
It's
see.
actually my coffee.
Your coffee.
Yeah.
Are we waiting for the train to come? We're at the Bertram Depot. Do you have a fact of the day?
Yeah. Since we have other video coming out, well, it may already be out. And I didn't do the fact of the day on that one either. It was Daddy made bread. So be good on trains. Follow directions too.
Good morning.
Buckeye Lake, Buckeye Trail.
Okay, you can walk now, okay? Walk in front of me, please.
Buckeye Lake is this way, Buckeye Trail this way.
Go ahead. 24. Awesome.
Which one do you want to face?
I don't care. I'll sit here. Avery, why don't you go sit by the window so you can look out the window? Okay. There you go. Okay, what do y'all think? Is it neat?
This is for me.
Oh my goodness.
No, that's for me.
Is this
I
cool?
want that big one.
Can you feel it vibrating, the train?
No, we can't get those. Those are for us. Those are just decorations.
Are we moving? Are you nervous? Or are you just fun?
Avery, we're already moving. Look at your window. Look how slow we're going.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the Christmas spirit on the North Pole Flyer. The conductor's about to call out, "Oh, the pole!"
There we go.
So thank
Right,
you.
that's yours. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be back.
It was almost Christmas. The shepherd's home was decorated in Christmas cheer, and over the fireplace hung two stockings. They didn't know what to say. "Are you sure you saw Santa?" the conductor asked. Casey spoke up. "Yes, sir, I saw him too. His sleigh was full of presents. It must have been."
Thanks, better.
Well, I'm gonna go check to see if he is made into his train car. So go ahead and get your cameras ready and your smiles ready, because Santa loves a good Santa selfie.
Oh my goodness, do y'all see him? Do y'all see Santa?
Ho, ho, ho.
Is that funny?
You see Santa?
I do. Oh, yeah.
All the way back there, I see him.
Oh, don't stay here. Let's visit.
He's coming this way, okay?
Wow.
What do y'all say? What do you say?
You're welcome.
I don't know if I want to show y'all how to do it. Let me see.
Yeah, get your phone and take a selfie so you can put it on Facebook. I know what's going on.
Blow through there.
Would you like a cookie?
Yes, please.
There you are. Did you two kids like like the cookie?
Yes.
Yes. Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you.
Cookies. Now, do you know what you want for Christmas? Presents.
What
That's
do you
what
want,
we do
honey?
here.
What do you want? What do you want?
We have a huge LOA project. I think we'll make it happen.
Say thank you. Merry Christmas. We have some technical difficulties with the
I
train.
thought we would be stranded on the train.
I don't know. I thought we were moving, but I don't think we are. We stopped again. They told us they were having mechanical issues, didn't they?
Maybe we will be stranded.
No. They'll figure it out eventually. Okay, so they couldn't fix the mechanical issue, so they're pushing us back, and we're gonna have to ride buses. Did they say we're gonna have to ride buses? Yep. Buses back.
Bus is back.
Yeah, but at least we're moving again. We've been sitting here over an hour. You boarding to go get on the buses?
Yay!
Yay! Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Watch out. Okay. Hold on. Let's go. Keep going. Come on.
Wow!
Let's go.
Baby.
Yeah.
It's too big.
Look at that. Santa's out here.
Precious cargo.
Okay. Hi, Santa.
Hi there.
Let me see. Okay, come on, girlie. There we go.
Come and Santa. And I'll
There we
pick you
go.
up
Look at
and
that.
set you down.
Say thank you.
Set you down. So you
Thank
say,
you.
Merry Christmas. Santa, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Last one's off the train.
Keep going to where the crowd is congregating.
Okay.
Those restrooms are open. There's a yellow building with the green roof. There's public
Okay.
restrooms
Thank
there.
you.
You want me to carry
Did Santa carry you?
you? That was nice of him. You want me to carry you? You want me to carry you now, though? Oh, Santa Claus gotta get back on the train.
Are we really the last ones off?
Nobody behind us. Everybody else had already cleared it.
Hi. Are we hanging out waiting on the bus now? They said it was going to be here 3:15. Now they said it's not going to be here till almost 4. It's supposed to have been a 2-hour ride. Turned into 4. So now we're in downtown Burnet.
Want me to carry
The
you?
buses are here. Yay!
Rescuers!
Look, there's Santa. Is he going to ride our bus with us?
You'll stay both down too?
The Santa?
Hi there. Let's start singing jingle bells or something.
Well, did we make it from the ride? Our Santa ride today? We're in the car. Everybody's eating now. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time from the Schmidt house. Bye.